Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove red eyes and other photo defects using Remini. So for those who don't know, Remini, it's an AI editing photo application. Alright, so as you can see, we are in our Remini application. I've opened it. So I'll look for the photo that I'm going to be working on right now. So I'll tap on that. Then I'll look for the photo in this context. Right, so I'll select this photo. So this person appears to have a little bit of red eyes. So the first thing you're going to do is to come and tap on enhance over there. So you wait for it to enhance. So you're going to remove the common photo defects and even the red eyes from this photo. Let's wait and see. Alright guys, so as you can see now, when you add this step, you can see before and after. This is how it looks like. So after that, come and tap on Face Beautifier over here, as you can see. So when you tap on Face Beautifier, wait for it to load. So it's loading. Let's wait and see. Alright, so as you can see, when you tap on Face Beautifier, there are three faces. So you come and select the last face, the third one. So when you do that, you're good to go. As you can see, his eyes are now totally white. Okay, his eyes are white and there are no photo defects at all. Alright, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.